Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful classic red bow lip. I'm really excited because this is the look I'm going to be wearing on Valentine's Day. I'm sure John's jaw is going to drop. You know, I usually don't go with red bow lips, so this is the first time I'm going to be stepping out of my comfort zone, wearing some lashes, wing liner, big nice red bow lips, so I'm really excited. So if you guys want to know how to create this makeup look, just keep on watching. To start this classic makeup look, I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. I'm going to be cleaning my eyebrows with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use the same concealer to prime my eyes and set them up with a little bit of translucent powder. Once that is set, I'm going to take my Sigma E35 blending brush. I'm going to take the shade Pooter from the Jaclyn palette. If you don't have this palette or don't have a matte brown like this, you can also use your bronzer. I'm going to place that shade on my crease in windshield wiper motions, and I'm also going to take that shade and bring it over to my outer V in circular motions. Now I'm like going on circular motions even on my crease. I'm just blowing this color out. Just want to give some color to my eyes. And once I am happy with the intensity, I'm going to move on with the wing liner. I was feeling brave today, so I'm going to take this Sigma Wicked Gel Liner and a Sigma brush. This is the E06. You guys, every time I use this, like wing liners become a challenge. I thought like it was so much easier for me to create a nice wing liner with this, and it was until I got the Stila liquid liner. But I do like the opacity and the matte finish of this Wicked Gel Liner, so I'm gonna do my best to ace it. Okay you guys, so I think I made them as identical as possible. Now I'm going to use my Tarte mascara. This is the Tarte Light Camera Lashes. I'm only going to put them on my top lashes though, and then we're going with our bottom lashes. Now I'm going to be wearing some falsies. I'm going to wear the velour lashes in the style Wisp It Real Good. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be priming with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm actually going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm going to be applying it with a brush. To cover my under eye and highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one's in the shade Light Medium Sand. I'm actually going to use just a tiny bit. Now I'm going to take a little bit of translucent powder and set my under eye and a little bit where I put some concealer. And while that bakes a little bit, I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Benefit Hola bronzer. I'm feeling extra, so I decided to put some setting powder to clean the edges of my bronzer. And now I'm going to wipe everything away. And I'm taking a damp beauty blender to go over everything. To finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same shade Pooter from the Jaclyn palette. For blush, I'm going to use the Too Faced Love Flush blush in the shade Baby Love. And to highlight, I'm going to be using the shade Summer from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to be using that same highlight for my inner corner and my brow bone. And to finish up the look, I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Hot Red. I'm also going to fill them in. I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. Now here's the final look. Did you guys like the look? I actually love it. So let me know what you guys are going to be doing on Valentine's. I would love to know. John and I actually have reservations on one of the Italian restaurants at Epcot, so we are super excited. We also are about to get a dog. We're going to be dog parents. I'm super excited, you guys. When we were in Puerto Rico, we used to have two pit bulls, a male and a female. Their names were Aries and Kalua, and they had a couple puppies, and we kind of gave them out to family and friends. We weren't able to bring Aries and Kalua to the States, so that left like an emptiness in our heart, and we still to this day are trying to track them down, see if we can bring them over, but we haven't been able to. But my mom had one of the puppies and she decided to give it to us, so we're going to be adopting him. He's a 6-year-old pit bull. His name is Theseus, and we are super excited because we're gonna get him that that weekend. But yeah, really nice and exciting things are happening this month. Also, my sister's birthday is on Valentine's Day. She's a Valentine's baby, so happy birthday, son Maddie. And yeah, I'm really excited. Like this video if you like this tutorial, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I post every Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!